Welcome back everybody to Ideal 3D Projects. Let's jump right in. I like these challenges from the comment section. Here we got a John Luke again asking if we could end up making a marinara jar. We designed a marinara jar and a PLA. Let's get over to the cutting board. Here is where we'll slap our dough down and we'll start to layer on that yummy marinara sauce. Throw on some pepperoni and sprinkle on some cheese. If you like a little sweet, you can add some pineapple. And if you don't like pineapple, then just don't add any to begin with. You know who you are, wink wink. We needed a small spreader, so I 3D printed just a pinch. Shout out to my partner on that design. This is probably the most important part because you'll have to end up using a nice thick creamy marinara sauce for this. Here is where we'll start to pile and spread on the marinara. Add your pepperonis. Don't forget to sprinkle on your cheese. And if you like pineapple, add that too. If you don't, then throw it away. If you're a breed like me, you might really like PLA. Let's move on to the jar. I really like 3D printing this. Gave me a little bit of challenge on the lid, but it screws really tight. I used thick walls for this, and it didn't have any issues or any holes. I really like this project. It allowed me to have to think outside the box for some of my content that I'm using. If you have any recommendations on some videos that might kind of be like this, throw them in the comments below so I can go check them out. If you've gotten this far in the video, I'm really thankful for that. Here in a moment, we're going to get to one of the most important things that I want to find out, is if any of the marinara when I pour it into this jar is going to leak out. So let's screw this cap on, get it as tight as we can, and you know what to do. Start shaking, 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 shake, shake, shaking, shaking, shake, shake, shaking, shaking, shake, shake, shaking, shaking, and man, it does not look like anything is coming out. There's no holes or leaks. I'm kind of interested to see how this would hold up over time. Until the next video, thanks for watching, and as always, hit that like button, hit that notification bell to get notified, and smash that subscribe button. Thanks.